Hello, friends. I hope you all are safe at your home with your parents, and in this critical situation, you are learning with this video based system. And I hope you will get all kind of solutions of your questions as well as your uh, teaching. Now, in previous lecture, we have learned about the some correspondence with the government department in your CC chapter number 2. Now, onwards this lecture we are going to learn about the correspondence with the public utility services, that is of which are useful for the public and which services are based and for the public usages, that is of public utility services. So on today's lecture we will learn about the correspondence related to the public utility services. See, here we mention that the generally public utility services in the village and town are carried out by local government organizations. See friend, here they mention that the public utility services which are very useful for the public are provided by the public local government organization, that is of say for example if you are living in a Bhavnagar city. Now the public utility services should be provided by the that particular city's corporation, that is of Bhavnagar Municipal Corporation. It is the Bhavnagar Municipal Corporation's responsibility to provide the basic utility services to the public. Otherwise, it is not valid. In addition to this, government and semi-government department, corporations and the organizations also provide this type of services. In addition to that, they have mentioned that some government department, semi-government department as well as some corporations are providing this type of services in nowadays. Otherwise, it is not possible to provide a basic facilities to the public with through one department or through one corporation. It is not possible. So for the cooperation view, some government department, semi-government department as well as some public utility departments and corporations are providing this type of basic facilities to the public. These institutions receive financial grant from the central government or state government, and they functions as per the government rules and regulations. See, here they have mentioned that this type of institute which are providing the basic utility services to the general public are providing this type of services on the basis of the grant whichever they get from the central government, otherwise state government. Means central government or state government provides some grant, that is of some financial help to that particular department, and they have to work, they have to function as per the rules and regulations of the government, or either it is of a central government or a state government. They do not work as per their rules and regulation, but instead of that they have to work with the rules and regulations of the central government as well as the state government. The following services are included in public utility services. This may ask in a one mark question that list out the services which are for the public, or in other sense they ask as a list out the services of public utility service. That is of which services are there. First one is the post and telegram, where the post and telegram services you will get from the central government. Second one is the railway, that is for the transportation as well as for the mailing. Next one is the drainage facility and cleanliness. Drainage facility in corporation as well as some villages, gram panchayat, they have to provide this type of facilities for the wastages of water. Next one is the public health department. See, public health department is very necessary for every village as well as the city. At present, you know that Bhavnagar Municipal Corporation providing the facilities of different medical services in this critical situation of corona. So this is the public health department. Next one is the road and building. This department has to provide the services for the public for their roads as well as the building. They have to make a very clear and very nice road facility they have to provide to the public. Local and state transportation. Same which cost that is of the local as well as the state transport. State transport means Gujarat ST, GSRTC, Gujarat State Road Transport Corporation. That is the local as well as the state transportation. Clear? Next one is the fire brigade. They have to provide the facility in a situation of flood, fire, as well as in so many natural calamities. They are very helpful for the public. Next one is the police and home guards. Police, you are very well aware about the service of police, and this word might be is new for you. That is of the home guard. Home guard is a equivalent services of the police department which are helpful to the police department. So this is the home guard. Next one is the electricity, through which you get the electricity in your house. That is of the PGVCL, UGVCL, SGVCL. These are the departments of the electricity. Next one is the water supply. That is of with service which provide you some drinking water at your home. That is the water supply department. Now example of the correspondence of the public utility services. Now first letter is that the letter to the concerned department regarding the irregular water supply means you are not getting proper as well as irregular water supply in from the department. So you are complaining about this problem. Phone number is written on the left hand side. See here, person as a letter writer, the person's name is very useful because company have no issue to getting the water facility. They are quite capable to get a substitute option for the getting sufficient water. But for the public, this is very not usages, or you can say not useful, or not capable to get this type of facility. So as a letter writer, you have to write a person's name is very suitable. So Mohan Bhai Patel is the receiver, writer of the letter. Nanawas, Palanpur Road, Kumbhasan. Put full stop behind the pin code. This is the address of Mohan Bhai Patel, and you have to put full stop behind the pin code, that is of the Kumbhasan, and then after pin code, and then you have to put full stop. 9th July is the date for the letter. Receiver of the letter is the Chief Executive Officer. Water Supply Department, Palanpur. Put full stop behind the pin code. See, Kumbhasan is the village, and the Palanpur is the district as well as talukas from where this village people getting the proper facilities like water. So they are complaining to the Palanpur taluka as well as the district. Subject complaint regarding the irregular water supply means they are not getting a proper water supply and time to time water supply. Sir is the salutation. You have to underline in the subject. Sir is the salutation. They have to write on behalf of all the residents of the Kumbhasan village of Palanpur district. See, from on behalf of whole village, this person, that is of Mohan Bhai Patel, writes to the Palanpur district. I would like to register a complaint regarding the irregular water supply to our village. See, Mohan Bhai Patel is complaining about the irregular water supply to the village. For last few days, our village with a population of 10,000 has been facing an acute problem of irregular and inadequate water supply. See, here Mohan Bhai Patel mentioned that from few days, whole village and total number of persons are living in a village that is 10,000. Means Mohan Bhai Patel says that 10,000 people are facing acute water problem in the village, and the water facility is very irregular and inadequate water supply they are getting right now. Earlier, we used to get the regular and adequate water supply. See, Mohan Bhai also mentioned that they, before some days ago, earlier, they get the sufficient water as well as regular water from the department. But for more than last 6 months, water supply has been very irregular. Here, Mohan Bhai mentioned that earlier we get the sufficient water as well as regular water. But since last more than 6 months, see, more than last 6 months, they are facing acute water supply, acute problem of irregularity as well as some inadequate water supply in the village. Sometimes it is supplied at 2 o'clock in the night or at 4 in the morning. See, this is the timing. Mohan Bhai also mentions the timing for the supply of water. Sometimes in a week they get water in a 2 o'clock in the night. See, this is very irregular. This is very hesitating situation for the village of the uh, Kumbasan. And or sometimes in a early morning 4 o'clock. See, 2 o'clock in the night as well as they get 4 o'clock in the early morning. This is very bad time for the villagers. At times it is given once a week only. See, sometimes department provide water to the village in a week, only one day. They are providing only one day in a week. See, this is very bad situation for the villagers of the Kumbasan. They are facing two big problems. That is of the department provide the water supply in a one day in a week. First problem. Second one is that they are providing water facility at 2 o'clock in the night as well as they are providing 4 o'clock in the early morning. This is also very critical situation to collect water. See, these two major problems are facing the villagers of the Kumbasan. The irregularity of water supply has created an adverse effect on the education of children and on the life and health of the people of the village. See, Mohan Bhai Patel also mentions that the water supply of the public of Kumbasan villagers is very critical, because due to this type of facility or due to this type of facility as well as the program, they have an adverse effect on the education of children, because you can understand that in the night 2 o'clock you will get water, then you have to get up for in the night and you have to collect the water. While collecting water, it is not possible to collect water very silently, so many noises are created, so children are getting disturbed in their sleeping time. Now they have a adverse effect as well as health. See, if you don't get the sufficient sleep at that time, this affects on your health. As per the science calculation, a man have wants nearby 8 hours major. Bro, adult person also have to get an 8 hours sleep, and it is very useful and it is a healthy sign to get a sufficient sleep. But due to this type of problems, this is not a good sign for the health also. We request you to do needful to provide the provide a regular and adequate water supply. See, Mohan Bhai also requests that they want to cooperate to providing a facility of water as a regular as well as adequate water supply in the village. We would like you to know that we pay water tax and other tax regularly. See, here Mohan Bhai also mentions that we are paying our tax of water as well as other taxes regularly. They not delay in a paying of the tax. So this is very rigid situation for the villagers of the Kumbasan. That's why Mohan Bhai writing this letter to the public water department. So here you have to cancel the thanks. So because it is not a good sign that you are getting a water in a right in the night 2 o'clock as well as in the 4 o'clock in the early morning, and it is not a good sign. So you have to remove a thanks from this letter, make changes while you are watching these videos. If you don't have a textbook, then you have to get the PDF of SPCC textbook from the Gujarat board website, so as well as you are able to learn videos very carefully. Yours faithfully, and here the name of the person is Mohan Bhai Patel. Next one is the letter appreciating the performance regarding the public health and hygiene. Means the effort shown by the department of public health and hygiene. They appreciating the efforts of department. So phone number is mentioned here. Email rahuldomadia@gmail.com. Writer of this letter is a person, because person's appreciation might be useful for the every kind of department. So you have to write a person's name as a letter writer. So here the letter writer is Professor Rahul Domadia. 10 University Quarters, put comma. Here comma is not mentioned. So you have to put comma behind the address. Kutch University, comma is mentioned. Bhuj, and put full stop behind the pin code. First of all, you have to write a city's name, and then after you have to put comma behind the pin code. Now they have write the date of the letter is 13th June 2017. Now the receiver of the letter is the Chief Health Officer, Public Health Department, Bhuj Municipality, Bhuj, put full stop behind the pin code. Now subject is written that the appreciation of the performance of the department. That means the whatever efforts shown by the department is quite appreciable. So here the person Professor Rahul Domadia is appreciating the department of the public health. Sir is the salutation. Now starting of this letter, first paragraph: due to global warming the cycle of season is changing over the entire world and has become irregular also. See, here Rahul Domadia mentioned that the due to global warming, you are very well aware about this word, that global warming, and due to global warming the cycle of season is quite changing. That means the seasons are very irregular. And I think you have also feel this type of changes in the world. See, here you also knows about that in sometimes you get some thunder worms, and sometimes you will get so many heats in the world. So these are very critical situation and has become irregular also. See, season is irregular. You can feel this situation that anytime you will get rain, anytime you will get some thunder, as well as anytime you will get the higher heat also. Bhuj is also facing the adverse effect of these changes. See, Bhuj has also get this type of effects in the entire world. The entire city is affected by the scorching heat or untimely rain. See, here they have mentioned the scorching heat. That means very irregular as well as very so much heat in any time, and untimely rain. Without season, you will get the rain. This is the untimely rain. So entire city is affected, means Bhuj city is affected by this situation. Due to fluctuating weather, water based disease and the disease that spread due to the bacteria are increasing fast, which is quite a serious matter for the public health and hygiene. Here Rahul Domaria mentioned that due to this type of situation, fluctuating weather, they get the disease of the water based disease as well as the bacteria disease in the city, and this is very serious matter from the point of view of the public health as well as the hygiene. As a citizen of Bhuj city, I take a note of the commitment and dedication shown by the Bhuj municipality regarding the public health in last 15 days. See, here as a uh, active citizen, here Professor Rahul Domadia mentioned that as a awake citizen, they had take a note of the commitment and the dedication shown by the Bhuj municipality is very quite appreciable, and they have taken decisions regarding the public health in the last 15 days, and I congratulate you for the same. Also, Professor Rahul Domadia congratulates to the Bhuj municipality's public health department that they have taken a very good decision and they have provided a commitment as well as the dedication from the point of view of the public health as well as the hygiene in the Bhuj municipality and Bhuj city. Epidemics has been controlled and prevented within a very short time due to the advertisement in newspaper and on radio, sprinkling of the insecticides, distribution of tablets for water purification, ban on unhygienic food items, and strict insistence on the cleanliness. See, here Rahul Domadia mentioned that the epidemics which are based on the water as well as the bacteria are being controlled due to the awareness of the public health department. They have made some efforts, and Rahul Domaria has mentioned that type of efforts in this letter, that the public health department provide an advertisement in newspaper as well as they have provided the advertisement in a radio. Again, the effort is the sprinkling of insecticides, that is the some pesticides are very useful to take control on this type of epidemics, and the department have also sprinkles this type of insecticides. Next one is the distribution of tablets for the water purification, that is what they are providing. That means public health department providing some tablets for the water purification due to very bad water supply. Ban on unhygienic food items. See, Bhuj municipality have make a ban on the unhygienic food situation. Before some years ago, you are aware about the in all over the Bhavnagar, the sellers of Nimbu Sikanjis are spread in all over the city. But as a awareness step, the Bhavnagar Municipal Corporation had take and samples of that particular Nimbu Sikanji, and after getting the report of that particular uh, samples, the Bhavnagar Municipality had banned the Nimbu Sikanji sellers, and this is very useful for the point of view of the public hygiene as well as the health. And next and very effective step is the strict insistence of the cleanliness. That means the public of the Bhuj city and the public department of Bhuj municipality provide a strict insistence of the cleanliness. Without cleanliness, it is not a very good sign. All these have brought the awareness regarding the health and hygiene. Or Professor Rahul Domadia also mentioned that this type of awareness step, the public get the health as well as the hygiene in their routine life, and due to this, the all type of epidemics which are very uh, bad for the public health, they are in a control. I, on behalf of the people of Bhuj city, appreciate the admirable performance of the health department of Bhuj municipality. and I assure to cooperation also. See, on behalf of whole city, this person providing the appreciation to the admirable performance of the health department of Bhuj municipality, and they also provide the assurance for the cooperation also. That means they are providing some type of cooperation is also necessary. As an alert citizen, I have full confidence that even in future the department will show the same foresight and concern to take a necessary precautionary measures. Also, as an alert citizen, this person Rahul Domadia have a full confidence that the public health department of the Bhuj municipality will take a foresighted and necessary precautionary steps in future from the point of view of the public hygiene as well as the public health department. Here we have to mention a thanking you. It is very necessary because we are appreciating the efforts or the performance provided by the department. So here we have to mention a thanking you. You have to mention thanking you in this letter, yours faithfully, and here the person's name is mentioned. So I request you all to kindly go through this type of letters, and it is very useful from the point of view of the as your study. So I request you all to kindly go through this type of letters, and through this you will be able to get a very precautionary steps as well as the as in concern of your SPCC study. And if you get this type of letters very carefully and you will understand it very carefully, at that time you will able to write a letter in your own words. So I request you all to kindly go through this type of letters, and if you have any kind of doubt you can ask me, and you can ask questions for the same, and it is very useful for your study. So today we have learned about the public correspondence department, public utilities services, which are very useful for the point of view of the public. And in this situation, see, I have mentioned so many questions which may ask in a 1 mark questions as well as in a 2 mark questions. So here the mention you have to the questions that the list out the public utility services which are very helpful for the public, and in this list out they you have to write a name of the services which are provided by the municipality, corporations, taluka panchayat, gram panchayat as well as the local organization for the public. And this type of department is the post and telegram department, railway department, drainage facility, cleanliness, public health, road and building, local and state transportation, fire brigade, police and home guards, electricity, water supply. These are the basic department which are providing the basic facilities for the public, and for this is very useful as well as the from the point of view of the public it is very useful for the public. Now in later we have learned that the villagers of Kumbhasan are getting the irregular water supply. So Mohan Bhai Patel complaining to the water supply department that they are getting irregular water supply, that is of at 2 p.m. 2 a.m. in the night and early morning 4 a.m. And this is very bad situation to collect water. So this is not a good sign for the public health as well as the uh, life of the public of the villagers of the Kumbhasan. And in other letter, we have learned about the public health department. They have taken a very good decisions as well as the precautionary steps from the point of view of the public health and hygiene. So, Professor Rahul Domadia is appreciating the public health department for their appreciable, admirable performance in the point of view of the public. So I request you all to go through this. Thank you very much.